Welcome to all. Today we are going to learn about sound controlled bulb. So here I am using an Arduino Uno microcontroller board, a sound sensor and a two-channel relay module, a bulb. And coming to the sound sensor, it is having 4 pins: digital output, VCC, ground and analog output pins. I am using analog output pin here, and I connected the analog output of sound sensor with the analog input pin 2, that is A2 of Arduino Uno, and I am using a relay module here. Here I am using two channel relay module, so it is having ground, input 1, input 2 and VCC. So I here we are going to control a single bulb, so that's why I am using input 1 only. So I directly connected the digital pin 13 to input 1 of relay module. So that's why I am using channel 1 only. So here I am taking the AC supply from switchboard to turn on the bulb. So here is the code for sound controlled bulb. So first of all, I am taking an integer define a bulb with a 13 pin of Arduino, and I am defined A2 pin to sound pin of sound sensor. I am giving a threshold value 100. I just want to mention the state of the bulb, so that's why I have taken the state equals to 0. So coming to wired setup, in wired setup I just define the pin mode for bulb and sound pin. Okay, in while loop I am reading the value from the sound pin of sound sensor, and I am saving that into sound sense. So here I am checking the condition. If the threshold value is less than sound sensor, or the sound sense value is greater than or equal to threshold value, and the state of the bulb is 0, then the bulb gets turned on and the state of the bulb becomes 1. Else, if the threshold value is greater than, sound sensor value is greater than threshold value and state of the bulb equals to high, then the bulb gets low and the state becomes 0. Okay. So here the demonstration of this project. So here this is the sound sensor which is connected to Arduino, and we are using a two channel relay as shown in the diagram. Okay, I just taken the AC power supply. Okay, so now I am going to clap here in front of the sensor. So again, to turn off the bulb, we have to make a sound again. Thank you for watching.